Concluded this meeting. What is it all about? What do you want to achieve?
Well, it's a meeting of Northerners, specifically to discuss as a family the problems bedeviling the North and how to look for solutions to it, how to prepare for the oncoming election, to see to the fact that our interests, we elect only somebody who has the interests of the North at heart and who will address the challenges facing the North. Because as it is, we are of the opinion that this government has no interest in solving problems bedeviling the North, be it infrastructure, be it peace, be it security. So we have to take the ball in our hands and work towards achieving solutions to our problems.
So what are the resolutions from this meeting?
Well, the solution is that we should go out and continue to organize Northerners, continue to pass on the messages that we've spoken here today so that our people from top to bottom will be united and take a single position in the coming election.
What is the position of the stakeholder with regards to ADC as opposition coalition platform for 2027 election?
Well, the truth of the matter is that we started out as what we call a consultative forum for northern politicians, but as the momentum was going on, it appears that the whole of the North have decided that they will join ADC. So now the distinction between what the National Political Consultative Group is and the ADC has blurred. So our people have encouraged us, have directed us, and have mandated us to organize ourselves in a manner that we will deliver whatever we want through the ADC.
Is the North stakeholders willing to support the Northerners to succeed President Bola Ahmed Tinubu 2027?
The ADC as a political party is a party that is founded on democratic principles. We are going to go to congresses and conventions to elect our representatives at the election. And whoever emerges, be it North, South, Central, West, whoever emerges at either the congresses or at the convention, ADC will support it, and the Northern Political Consultative Group will support that person.
Sir, there is a fear.
I go to Nigeria. If you are in Nigeria, you know the challenges facing the North. There's insecurity, there's economic deprivation, there's marginalization, there's everything that is designed to humble us, designed to disintegrate us, designed to underdevelop us.
So there is a fear that the votes don't count, and so effort by the coalition is an exercise in futility.
There's nobody in ADC leadership or rank and file that believes that votes do not count. Votes do count, and we are going to make sure that votes do count. This election, votes will count. I tell you, forget about the fear that votes will not count. APC is a party of Nigerians, ADC is one. Whatever techniques, whatever malicious activity they throw at us will counter it effectively, and will counter and defeat them at it.
Thank you so much. It's great.